Here we have a 68 plate BMW 540i XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the gloss black front kidney grills, we have the LED headlights and the gloss black front splitter, the bluestone metallic exterior paintwork. Coming around to the passenger side, you then find the 20-inch alloy wheels. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. And performance kit on this vehicle, so you find the side skirts running along the bottom. We also have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, and also the shark antennae on the roof. We do have the rear spoiler lip on the tailgate. You'll then find the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We do also have the rear diffuser with the dual exit exhaust. Over £12,000 of optional extras are on this vehicle. You would have seen them all on the advert. Just to mention one, we do have the M Sport Plus package. If we take a look at the interior now, you'll find we have the leather seats. We do have the foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We do have the vents just down there, and also the ambient lighting on the doors, electric windows, premium Harman Kardon sound system. If you take a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats, both front seats being heated and also both electrically adjustable, as you can see just there, with the memory functions controlled on the doors, electric windows and electric mirrors. We have the automatic lights, automatic wipers. Let's take us inside. Got the digital dashboard here in front of us, multifunctional steering wheel as well. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle starts up. Steering wheel is electrically adjustable. You can control it with that stalk there. We've got the speed meter and also the cruise control buttons here on the left. Got the paddle shifters as well, and the high beam assist just there on that stalk. You then have the main infotainment screen, plenty of features on here. You can see it's currently showing the sat nav. If we go through some of the features, you'll find the buttons just down here. Click onto media, you've got the radio stations. Go over to the left, you've got the other options which we can scroll through just here. Going down to the mobile devices, you'll then find we have the Apple CarPlay. We also have the phone connectivity for phone calls. Onto the main menu, if we go to My Vehicle, onto the settings, you'll find the interior ambient lighting. Plenty of colours on here which we can go through, and as you can see, it's running across the dashboard, across the doors. Looks really nice, especially at night time. We do have the intelligent safety, making it a safe vehicle to drive. Further down, we've got the vents. We also have the climate control, ice cold air conditioning, heated seats as well either side. Further down from there, we have the automatic gearbox for the different drive modes, so you can press these buttons and quickly switch through all the different drive modes. Also changes the dashboard for the drive mode, so you can see Sport. We also have the Comfort drive mode and then the Eco Pro. Putting it into reverse, you'll find the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P, electric handbrake, auto hold button, and finally the armrest just here, which can be opened up for more storage. That's all I'm going to show you today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes through a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching.